How to check Samsung S23 Ultra original or fake? So if you want to know if the Samsung S23 Ultra phone that you are using is original or fake, so to know that, make sure to watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, go ahead and open the phone's dialer on your device. Firstly, you need to type in here star has 06 has, and then your phone IMEI number will appear on your phone screen, where you have to match the phone IMEI number with the phone package IMEI number. If it matches, then you can consider that your S23 Samsung Ultra is original. The second step what you need to follow is open the dialer again, and then you have to enter star has 0 star, and at last you need to enter has. Once you dial that number, then your phone model will appear on your screen, where you have to check or match your phone model with the package model number, and then if both of the models and the IMEI number matches with the package IMEI number and the package model number, then you can consider that your Samsung S23 is original. If it doesn't matches, then you can consider it as fake. So that's how we check Samsung S23 Ultra original or fake. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.